Okay, so today was a very good day. As expected, I expected shorts because of our daily fair value gap that was made. Expected us to retrace into the range created, and we did exactly that. So we expanded into the range. So I entered short because of this PSP right here, this order block right here, entry right there, SSMT, PSP, entry, and then here was a PSP. Sorry, yeah, this wasn't a PSP, but this was just an auto block, but this was a because we already have like an SMT created from here, right? But then we took out this height, so this auto block right, this is already an SMT. We have another SMT, yeah. So retracement to this just this small fair value gap on the hourly. We have this huge inversion fair value gap, and also this order block. So entry and then exited around this lows down here. Now the question is, why didn't I enter this on my funded? Well, it's because of I am emotion. I wasn't that confident that this trade would run because of we expanded so high. So I was like, you know what? I'm thinking during these days either we consolidate and there's choppy price action or we retrace into the range. And right here we retraced into the range and look at that, we just went all the way down. So another thing is because of the end dog, right? We had SMT on the end dog, expansion, retracement into the fair value gap created and everything. I didn't I didn't even use this, right? I didn't use the end walk because I didn't see it earlier. But intermarket is SMT, another is SMT, a lot of stacked end dogs, and then price just went all the way lower. I wish I entered this because price went above 7:30 and then at 9 a.m., which is when I trade at 9 a.m., price opened up, went higher into end dog and then went lower. And then price took out all of the 8:30, 8 to 8:30 lows. So that's where I was even targeting. But then price decided to go lower and into Asia session. So, am I angry that I didn't take this trade? Oh, there's nothing I could do, right? There's always going to be an opportunity, right? Yesterday, I anticipated longs perfectly, and I just went towards my TP, and I wasn't going to FOMO, right? Is that FOMO feeling that really destroys me? Which I told myself, you know what, I'm not even going to FOMO because FOMOing is horrible. It's a very horrible feeling which I never want to like I never want anybody to even like experience it, right? But how do you combat FOMO, right? How do you combat it? If you look already, that was an SSMT, so I could have even entered from here to here. But I was in class, right? From here to here, that was an SSMT right here. Yesterday, and then I would have aimed for this right here. And then today, I would have even passed the funded. But I didn't pass the funded. Why? I didn't pass the funded because one, time. Okay, time being the important thing, and two, because of emotions. My emotions are what are destroying me. Okay, it is what is killing me psychologically. Right? I have been right. Maybe on Tuesday I wasn't 100% right, but Monday I was right for longs, which I actually longed Monday. What did I get? Actually shorted Monday because I was expecting this lows to get taken, bro. I was where is it? Well, because we took out this Monday, this low, right, right here, and because price was just gyrating, wasn't trying to go lower, I just closed the trade. Well, we had a PSP, right? So on Monday we had a PSP, then and we were already bullish. So um, and we had a sequential SSMT, right? But I didn't do or take the trade because of I was FOMOing. Okay, I saw an SSMT here, I saw an SSMT here, but I still FOMO. I need to follow my game plan, right? The game plan always wins. The game plan always wins at the end of the day, whether loss or win. My game plan today was longs, and guess what? I won. I exited the trade early because of I saw the um euro making took out this high, so I exited that out because that was an intermarket SSMT, so I exited that long. But right here, look at what happened. We went higher, we went back into the range, created on Monday. We're in discount now. We expanded higher. We hit our TP for the week, right? This highs is was where I wanted the price to go. And guess what? We went back into the range of this expansion. So this day is basically a retracement. Then Friday could what consolidate or just take out the slows. Usually when days like this happen, Friday will be seek and destroy. Okay. Friday will definitely be seek and destroy. So shorted, taken here, and that's all. I'll I'll write out the outcast or the outlook of this entire week on Saturday. But this is basically a good week of learning and everything. This is also the second week of the month, right? Uh, this was the first week of the month. Actually, yeah, this was the first week of the month, right here. So this day was literally low probability, right? Look at Monday. Look at Tuesday. Tuesday expansion. Wednesday. After expansion, what are we gonna do? Consolidate to just go back into the range, right? But then right here, it was just a lot of choppy price action. You would have gotten stopped out. Like, look at this. All of this choppiness. Just back and forth, right? If we look over at this, oh, actually, I need that. I actually need that. Well, no, I don't need it. But, we see all of this choppy price action. Let me move this to historical cycles. And I have to thank quality theory for it because it filters a lot of bull crap, you know. So right on this Wednesday, right? We didn't even have news during this day. That was like last week, right? So look over here. Look over here. Oh, so Wednesday we even had news, but what do we have? FOMC minutes. And what did I say? I don't like trading when there's this. I don't trade when there's already news. Okay. I don't trade when there's already news at 2 p.m. Right. So I just basically didn't trade this. I'm not gonna be trading this day because of the FOMC minutes. We already have news right here. So 10 a.m. on Tuesday, trade. Thursday, no trade. Friday, trade. Now on Thursday, look at what is happening. Tuesday, you're obviously gonna trade today because look at this. Look at what you're gonna be trading around this candle right here. You're gonna be shorting all of this. If we look over at Tuesday, right? You might say but there was no SSMT. Like, why are you trading Tuesday if there was no SSMT, right? let's go to EUR. In GDP/USD, there was an SSMT. Now that is why we destroyed the bed or the toilets, because there was SSMT on the 7th. See, daily SMT, and then we basically destroyed the toilets, right? So if you were trading this day, you are going to have an excellent trade, right? This order block right here, boom, right here, that high, that's 9:30. So what news do we have during this day? We have 10 a.m. news, right? What do we think? We think SSMT to be made before or after a news, right? Right here, what do we have? We have an SSMT made before news. So we are thinking that what news will do what expand. And guess what? We have another SSMT created before news, right? So meaning I'll enter, if you look over here, let me put this on so you see this. If you look over here, we have an SSMT. This is an SSMT from 9, from 9 right here to 10:30, but from 7:30 right here. We took out the high at 9. If we look over at the back, where's 7:30? Right here. We took out the high. Let me show you some. Let's see. Remove microcycles. Let me put it only on Tuesday. Bless me. So Tuesday is high, 6, and there's 9 here. What we have is sequential SSMT from 4 to 9. Sequential SSMT. You go over here from 4 to 9, sequential SSMT. And guess what? 9:30. That's when that day SSMT career happened. 9 a.m. Or you could say the macros. Boom, 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 yada yada yada, bang. And then I'll show you from this high to this high right here. Boom, order block, entry. Then you sell. You hold to the kingdom come or this equal lows down here. Just hold, and boom, 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 boom. Ladies and gentlemen, is that fair? Like guys, be honest. Is that fair? This isn't fair. Quality theory is not fair. This is not fair. I'm not even gonna lie, like literally this isn't fair. Then you basically hold the entire week. Yeah, you basically just hold the entire week. Yeah, you just hold. Hold the entire week. Don't care about this day. Hold the entire week until previous week's lows. Or until that SSMT is taken. This isn't fair, bro. Then on the hourly, you continue holding. Bang. Target met. You've awarded yourself over over 3,000 points. Is that fair? That's not fair, bro. Literally, that's not fair. Then on Friday, we didn't even have news, but look at what happened on Friday. Let's actually examine Friday. We didn't have news on Friday, but if there's no news on Friday, we're looking for what? Characteristics, right? Let me zoom into Friday. Oh, closer. What are we looking for? We're looking for that 930 Judas, right? So 930, we open it, right? This is 6. We make an SSMT from here. No. Do we make a daily SSMT from 6 p.m.? Yes, we did. From this high right here to this right here. With YM. Yep. Took out the high. 730. We expanded lower, right? 830. Expanded lower, right? So what's next? It's that 930. Where's our target? Our target is still that lows, right? This previous week's low, right? That's what we're targeting. Okay. Target is previous week's lows, and we make a retracement because this is what I traded last week, right? Target is previous week's lows. We made a daily SSMT, and then if you look closer, this right here, I entered right here on this fair value gap retracement, and then targeting this low and then this lows. Look how what happens. Bang. Ladies and gentlemen, is that fair? No, that is not fair. That is not fair, ladies and gentlemen, because has been a lot of bullcrap being filtered, and this is how you become profitable, by filtering and knowing when to trade. So I have reached a point where I know where price should be going, right? Now I need to continuously refine and working and forward testing, forward testing, forward testing, forward testing, forward testing. I'm not even gonna lie to you. I do wish I took that trade, but I didn't take that trade for a reason, and that was my emotions. So now I've learned the pain, and if my emotions take over instead of going with my game plan, right? My game plan for today was what? My game plan was short, and I didn't follow my game plan. But I wanted to see short, but I didn't follow it because of my emotions. Emotions is what is stopping me. My emotions. So, yeah.